Hey guys, Lars here. I hope you're all doing really well and have a really great day. Today, I want to quickly recap what I've done in the past 4 weeks, what I've changed so far, and what are my recent thoughts on the future and what I'm planning to do in the future. So what we can see here is the current location of one of my miners. Um, It is currently trying to resync or reconnect to all the other hotspots it appears to have been connected in the first place. Last week was kind of a tough week for all of my miners because all of them went down to something like a flat line, and I was hustling around and trying to figure out how I can change this. And yeah, in most cases in the helium network, you cannot really do anything about it. I mean, in some cases, it could be necessary for your hotspot to get a restart. And in some other cases, like in mine, yeah, you need to dig a bit deeper into the command line thing and whatever, like the computer tech nerd stuff you see whenever you watch a movie. You know what I mean? Like the people are hacking something in their keyboards and doing wild stuff. Yeah. So this is the position, or this is one of a position of one of my Pisces miners. Uh, and as you can see, the rewards are not that high. I mean, if I change the map to the transmit scale map, you can yeah, you can see why. I mean, I got some witnesses and I got some connections to other miners in some of those green hexes, and that's basically what you want. You want your miner to have been, yeah, to have as much connections to other miners in green hexes as possible, and not that many to someone who's orange or even red. There are some of the connections you want to avoid. But in this case, I had no choice, so I decided to place it there, and I hope in the next few days it will come back up and connect to a bit more, like it have been doing in like 1 or 2 weeks ago. And yeah, what was one of my issues? The issue with my Pisces miner was that the Docker, so basically a Pisces miner is nothing else than a Raspberry Pi running some software like the Helium Miner software and some Pisces specific software. And my Pisces miner was running into an issue where he wrote all of his flash full. Like the flash drive was at 100% capacity, and it was trying to write even more on it, but it could not. So it basically stopped. It did nothing. And me as a noob in the Pisces miner universe, I would say, uh, I didn't know what to do. And luckily, uh, I was able to get in contact with one of the Pisces Helium Discord dudes that are really helping people out. So I basically I was joining the Pisces Helium Discord, and I was telling the people there in the general chat, hey guys, I don't know what to do. Seems like my miner is flatline. Then someone told me, hey, can you SSH into your miner? And so I was doing this. I was trying to figure out what's going on, and there I got the first information about my issue. So that my flash drive was at 100%, and that my miner was not able to do anything else because all of his drive space is full. So we need to fix this. And luckily, I got someone who explained me how I can change this. And yeah, I needed to do this. In the first place, I was just deleting all the space, all the Docker information, all the ledger information on the Pisces miner. And after this, I was able to upgrade it and update the dashboard. Because if you guys buy the Pisces miner in the first place, you will get something like a really ugly dashboard interface. Maybe I can find it out. Pisces P100 dashboard. Let's see if we can get some nice pictures about this. Not sure if somebody uploaded it recently. So I will try to get a picture of this. Otherwise, yeah, do not care about it. The Pisces Miner original dashboard that was shipped with the miners like mine, like the first ones who get shipped, is absolutely trash. And there's someone in the community called Briffy. He coded on his own dashboard, and it appears that Pisces is currently providing this as their dashboard, and it's working fine. You can set up your VPN inside of it. You can do literally everything. You can enable the Wi-Fi. You can enable the Bluetooth, disable it. You can stop and run the miner. It's absolutely amazing. And if I should compare the functionality of the Pisces miner with the other miner that I have tested so far, like the Bobcat, the Rex, the SenseCap, the Nebra miner, those are the miners I'm currently working with. I love the Pisces miner in the fact that there's so much functionality and so much you can do with it. But I guess most of you people would say, oh man, this is literally annoying, because yes, you can do a bit more with it, but on the other hand, you need to. Because you need to figure out, okay, how can I come around with all this stuff? And it is kind of plug and play, but when you're not doing what the computer wants you to do, you're maybe running into an issue. Like sometimes you need to check if the update is running through, or if there's any other issue with the miner currently. So it's like your baby. It's like the IT guys or IT gurus, and then if you will understand it, it's like your little baby. You need to check if it's fine, if everything is working, if you need to free up some space, something else. Not always. You can do this, or you just can plug it in, update to the latest version, and then you should be good to go. Because whenever you're getting to the latest version, there should be something like an auto update and automatic stuff, so that you don't need to check it yourself every day or every week, whatever. So in conclusion, I would say the Pisces miner is a pretty good miner. Currently I'm doing something around 10 to 20 bucks a day. I would say this will get a bit higher in the next coming days. I will also try to fix my relay status on this miner, because this miner is currently sitting on the roof of one of our hosts, and yeah, his ISP is not providing a static IP, so I need to plug in something like a Mango. This is like a mini router where you can set up your VPN, and it's a bit easier than trying to figure out stuff in the network of the people you want to try to use. Just in my case. So maybe I will do a video about this, how I set this up and how I connect my miner to a VPN. Because I think this is a solution that most of you guys could use, because we are running into the issue where we want to spread our hotspots all around the world, like at our friends or at our parents. And yeah, if you need to figure out the local network situation, it's really a pain in the ass. And currently I'm trying to figure out a solution where you just can plug this stuff in and it's done, and it's not relayed. You need to do a bit work to get to this point, but it is possible. Currently I'm getting in touch with some people who know all this stuff, and I will try to make some videos about it, and we will try to explain step by step how you can do this, and that you do not need to watch other hourly long videos or whatever, or reading through some articles that are barely understandable. Yeah, so far so good. Let's quickly change to the 7-day, and yeah, on the 7-day, 30 bucks. It's literally just running. Like 3 days ago, it started again to start mining, and yeah, 30 days. It's just a mess, to be honest. I know I haven't been updated you guys in like 4 weeks, but I couldn't find time for it. I was busy doing some other stuff, and as you can see, it's like yeah, 14 days ago that I plugged in this miner. Then I was running into the issue that the drive was getting full, and then I needed like 3 days to sort this out. And yeah, I will do a second video, because maybe you guys are running into the same issue, that you don't know what's going on, and I will try to guide you guys through the steps, what you can do. But I will make a second video for this. So far so good. I hope I have kept you updated with all what's currently going on. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, and see you in the next one.